after learning the different zones or the different velocities of the earthquake, we are going to know now about the different types of earthquake, varieties of earthquake, what we can call, what we can term as the different types of earthquake. So the first earthquake name is given over there, the tectonic earthquake. Before learning this, I would like to inform you that the basic cause of the earthquake is the plate tectonic. The plates are movable and we can't see, we can touch, we can't feel, but we can understand that the plates are moving around. Sometimes it's coming closer, sometimes it's coming far away from each other, and that's why the tectonic earthquakes are very important. So the most common type occurring when rocks slide along a fault plane. Yes, and because of this thing, the tectonic earthquakes we can see. Now come to the volcanic earthquake, when the volcano and the magma, it coming outside from the interior part of the earth, a massive earthquake we can see, we can feel. So a subset of tectonic earthquake, this occurred during the volcanic eruptions, and it's also found in the active volcano, not in dormant or the inactive volcano places. Only in the active volcano places we can have the volcanic earthquake. Come to the next, which is the collapse earthquake. It's also seen in the mining areas. Yes, it's also observed in the mining areas when the roofs of the underground mines collapse and causing the small tremors. Explosion earthquakes. It's caused by the detonation of the chemical or the nuclear devices, and reservoir induced earthquakes are called the near large bodies of water which associated with the creation of the reservoirs. I can give you one example, the Maharashtra Koyna river. If you can write the example, you can. Koyna river in Maharashtra. Koyna river in Maharashtra, 1968. In this year, which earthquake happened, that we can consider as the reservoir induced earthquake. One example is also given over there, the Hengsheng earthquake, which happened in China. The Hengsheng earthquake, 1975 in China, is an example of tectonic earthquake. Why? Because this event demonstrated the typical characteristics of the tectonic earthquakes, which stress along a fault line and seismic activities were felt. The study has contributed to the understanding of the mechanics and effects of the tectonic earthquakes. Now what we have learned, short pointers, what we have learned. The tectonic earthquakes, the most common, yes, if the question can come like most common earthquake, what you have said, which is tectonic earthquake. Volcanic earthquake we can also have in the active volcano places, not in different places. Collapse earthquake we can only see in this mining areas. Explosion earthquakes, triggered by the large explosions, bomb blastings, that kind of things if happen, then we can see explosion earthquakes. Reservoir induced earthquakes that may associated with the large bodies of water, just now I gave the example. And the 1975 Hengsheng earthquake is a case study for the tectonic earthquakes.